How's it going, guys? Brad here, RodTrees.com. I want to talk today a little bit about mounting brackets and how to get your boat set up correctly with any type of product or parts you want to put on your inside gunnel rail. First thing I want to do is go ahead and recommend using an angle indicator. With all the manufacturers that are out there, and if you do have an inside gunnel rail, a lot of people assume angles. For instance, Lund had a 42 that was their first angle inside gunnel rail tracker, 90. Nowadays, there are actually 5 different angles on a Lund. The best way to find out exactly what your angle is, like I said beforehand, get an angle indicator. You can download a application onto your phone, your Apple or Samsung phone, an angle finder, and real simple how to use these guys. You just go ahead and true them out, level them, zero them, bring them over to the side of the gunnel, and go ahead and give yourself right there where it should be. You're going to notice it's going to be a 48.2. That's roughly going to be a 48-degree rail. So that's going to be something you're going to want to use when selecting the mounting brackets you're putting on your boat. A couple degrees doesn't sound like a lot, but when you get the wrong angle, you get the wrong pitch, your trees or rod holders, things like that, tend to face towards the inside or the outside of the boat if you're have the wrong angle. So the best way to know for sure what angle you have on your boat, no matter what your salesman at the manufacturer, the dealer told you it is, get yourself a $5 angle indicator, know for sure, order the right products.